On this year's EMO, we will not just only show machine, we will show you the newest state-of-the-art technology. On 1000 square meters, we will have 13 machines and a various number of automations to show you how to boost your production, how to get more efficiency and how to be ahead of the competition. One example of our technology for the 5-axis machining, we have here our snake model. In the Japanese animal calendar, this year is Year of the Snake. Therefore, we made the snake model out of a massive block of aluminium in one shot to show the Japanese culture, which is very important for our company. We will show European and world premieres of new machine models. And also, if you want to learn more about this, come to our booth, hall number 14, booth D28.